Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021
Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual sunroof, premium wheels, dual exhaust, power brakes, power sunroof, rear window wiper, interval wipers, leather upholstery, heated seats, keyless entry. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.